Please read captions and don't skip any part of this video. Today's video is a simple video that I want to show you how to achieve soft yam like this after cooking it. Look at how soft this yam is. So how did I achieve this? This is what we're going to see. This is an old yam that I have in my house. I've already cut it before I remember to shoot this video. So if you have this kind of yam in your house and you want to cook it and you don't want it to be so hard even after cooking it, you need to get a pestle and place the yam on top of a hard surface. Use the pestle and heat the body of the yam for some minutes before you go ahead to cut it or to slice it. So because if you don't do that, the outcome will not be like what I showed you before. So now the next is to cut the yam. So I'm trying to cut it, so I'm going to remove the back before going ahead to slice it. Here I'm already cutting it into the different sizes that I want, and I'm going to cook this yam with beans. So after cutting it now, I will remove the back and slice it to the sizes that I want before putting it inside the pot of beans. Here we are with the final result. I prepared this yam with beans, that is beans and yam, but for the purpose of this video I decided to bring out only the yam to show us. I'm cutting it out, my daughters are waiting, and this is 6 a.m. in the morning because I'm on morning duty. So this is the yam. Like, it's so soft. It was so soft that day, and they are waiting. As you can see, they are just bringing out their hands for me to give them directly. So if you want to achieve this kind of soft yam with your old yam, don't skip any process that I showed you in this video. And myself, I was even surprised because the last yam that I prepared, I couldn't eat it. My daughters couldn't eat it because it was so hard. You could not even bite it without trying so hard to achieve that. So try this. Don't discard the old yam that you have in your house. Try this out and let me know the outcome in the comment section. Now, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to me so that you're going to see more of this kind of videos. Thank you so much if you've done that. Bye.